guess this is sort of a museum, is it? I think they have a steam engine too that does runs, but only if it's booked. It doesn't have a regular run. Charters only groups of people. January. I don't think so. It's an old crane. Maybe not all that old. Not sure what its motive power is. What does it work on? I can't see an engine there. There might be an engine underneath that cover. All locked and shuttered until the 12th of January. Those yards there are also sandstone. And there are sandstone blocks here. Used, and when they were taken up from wherever they were taken up, they were not disposed of. They've been stored there for future use. There's some old bricks there which look like antique bricks, early bricks. This is the museum. See, there's a steam train there. But there is a very early steam train. Oh, actually, no, it's not a steam train, it's a tractor. No, not a tractor, a roller, a steam roller. It's a beautiful old train, isn't it? And here's another one. Don't even think this one is steam. It's got a bit of a chimney, but I think it might have something to do with being a diesel. Without being able to get in and properly look, it's hard to say. Yes, that one is a diesel for sure. There are different types of diesels. There were diesel electric and pure diesel, and I think this is an old, early pure diesel one. There's a carriage that would be pulled by the steam train. And this train still runs. I saw a leaflet on it. For groups can charter it, and it will run between here and Ipswich, or here and other cities, other places, just for the day trip. But you have to pay for it, of course, and it has to be after January the 12th, 2012. I love the wrought iron on the steps leading up to the back of that caboose. I love just driving slowly around a new town that I don't know. This is Warwick still. Just mooching around, poodling around I call it, just to see what there is. And when the road suddenly runs out of hardtop, tarmac, asphalt, and turns into gravel, it's almost like a challenge. You just have to find out what's up there. See, a nice area to park here for the night. these are the sorts of things I look at, not just for the night but for the day, or to make lunch. And in fact, I may even come back there and park. The time is now only 9:05 in the morning. I've had breakfast. But I may go back to that spot and park when it's lunchtime or when I want to rest. That's away. Oh, that's away. There's a bridge. See that bridge there? There's a pedestrian path. See this across the road with the stones? It's interesting, isn't it? Okay, low clearance, 2 meters. I won't make that. That's too high. My van is too high for that. So I guess we're not going to do any more exploring in that direction. Well, I could park and walk. I could park there. That's a railway track. So maybe I won't park there. It'd be awful noisy. Okay, well, we'll park in here for a while. Have a little rest under the trees, in the shade. Oh, am I going to be able to get out? Yeah, looking at those tracks there, I won't have to reverse that. I should be able to just go forwards. Okay, well, for the time being, we'll stay here. What do you think, dogs? Yeah? And I can let you out because there's no traffic, there's no houses, there's nothing for you to get into trouble. There's even a ditch there, and I bet you start drinking that water. Yeah, he's not drinking from the clear water, he's drinking from the stuff that's got leaves in the surface. Can you believe these dogs? And Nice, as usual, has gone for a wander. But look, I don't think they can get into any trouble here, can they? There's a barbed wire fence there, which makes me think there might be cattle, but I can't see any cattle. I think I'll just let them wander around and have a bit of fun. Nice. See, straight through the barbed wire fence he went. I'm glad he came back. There's nothing on that side of the fence for you, Nice. See, they've parked themselves on the far side of the ditch to where I am and the van is. Both of them. Oh, thank you, Hugo. Well, I'm going to forget about worrying about you dogs. There's nothing to worry about. I've had a bit of a walk around. There's no people. It's Christmas Day. There's no people here. It's a deserted area, today at least.